I'm HVAC repair guy. After 17 years in the industry and a background as a nuclear power electrician, I've learned that the most expensive name on the cabinet doesn't always mean the best tech under the hood. Today, we're doing a premium tier face-off between two heavy hitters, EverRest Extreme Comfort and Ruud. Specifically, we're looking at the EverRest Extreme Comfort GZT 7C and the Ruud Endeavor RP15 AWI. Let's talk about the first thing you see, the cabinet. The Ruud Endeavor RP15 AWI features louvered panels. This is a solid design that provides excellent protection for the internal condenser coils against hail and yard debris. EverRest doesn't back down here either. The GZT 7C is built with a louvered steel panel. In the field, louvered protection is the gold standard because it guards those thin aluminum fins while still allowing for maximum airflow. Both of these units are built like tanks, so you aren't sacrificing durability with either choice. Moving to efficiency and comfort, we're looking at the HSPF 2 ratings, which tell you how hard these machines work when in the winter. The EverRest GZT 7C is pushing an HSPF 2 of 8.2, while the Ruud RP15 AY sits just behind it at 8.1. Under the hood, both units use two-stage compressor technology. Instead of running at full blast all the time, these systems can throttle between high and low speeds to maintain a steady temperature. This means less wear on the parts and a much more consistent feel in the house without those annoying hot and cold swings. Now let's look at the brand factor. Ruud is a flagship brand under Paloma Industries and is a household name. EverRest Extreme Comfort is a private label brand manufactured by Daikin for a private label distributor. Here's the pro tip. EverRest is essentially a premium spec Goodman or Amana unit sold under a different name. You're getting the same internal engineering as a major national brand, but you aren't paying the flagship premium. For a 2026 installation, a Ruud RP15 AY full system will typically run you about $9,500, while the EverRest GZT 7C often comes in around $8,200 for the same tech. Before we get to the winner, remember, even the best unit will fail if you don't maintain it. Wash those outdoor coils every spring and change your filters monthly so your system isn't gasping for air. The real divider is the warranty. Both units are manufactured in the USA and offer a standard 10-year parts warranty. However, the EverRest GZT 7C comes with a lifetime compressor warranty and a lifetime unit replacement warranty. If that compressor dies, they give you a whole new outdoor unit. Ruud's RP15 AY only offers a 10-year compressor warranty and no unit replacement guarantee. The verdict is a clear win for EverRest Extreme Comfort. You're getting slightly better efficiency and the same louvered protection as the Ruud flagship, but for a lower price and with a warranty that Ruud simply doesn't match. When the tech is identical but the protection for your wallet is better, the private label brand takes the trophy. Ruud loses here because you're paying more for less warranty coverage. You can shop like a pro by using the head-to-head tool on HVOAC Dash for dashbeginners.com.